how to tap and mirror your screen using SmartThings on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here's the click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down. Scroll down, you will see second option is Connected Devices. So click on Connected Devices. Now here, so scroll down and click on Smart Things. So after click on Smart Things, click on Menu. So after click on Menu, click on the Settings icon. So after click on Settings icon, scroll down, and you will see click on top view and top sound. So after click on top view and top sound, so if you want to use, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see TV is here and soundboard, family opening, and projector is here. So after using, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can tap and mirror your screen using SmartThings on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.